Hey guys, I'm Suave Artist. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the basics of what branding is. Whether you're a Twitch streamer or an artist just trying to stand out, we're going to talk about logo, font choice, color scheme. By the end of this video, you're going to figure out what you need to create a lasting brand that people know and love. So today I put on my fancy business pants so we can talk about business. But not the scary part of business, the fun part of business that I like to talk about, branding. So what is branding anyway? Well, if you look it up on Google, which is what I did, because I just wanted to make sure we were talking about the same thing, branding is the promotion of a particular product or company by means of advertising and distinctive design. So basically that just means the way a company or person chooses to visually represent their product. All right, so just think about some of the top companies out there. Nike, YouTube, Google, Apple. You immediately think of their logo, their color scheme, their font, all of that stuff. And that's because they've been able to figure out a way to create a recognizable design. So how are you going to be able to achieve this? Well, really, it breaks down into three simple things: color scheme, logo, and font choice. So let's get into that. So when you're thinking about color scheme, the easiest way to start is just to pick two colors that you like and that preferably look good together, and then kind of survey the field that you're competing in. If there are a slew of streamers that have a bunch of logos that are black and white or red and black or something, maybe choose a different color scheme that will help you stand out. Maybe go for a blue and yellow, and just like that, you've put yourself above the rest of the crowd because you have a different color scheme, and that actually does make a difference. So that was kind of the reason why I chose my color scheme. I have a really pretty bright pink and bright green, and I didn't see a lot of YouTubers or Twitch streamers pick this color, so that whenever you actually search my name or you see my picture in the list of other streamers, mine stands out just because it is a different color. And it can be as simple as that. So that kind of brings us right into the second thing, which is logo. That's the perfect time for you to incorporate the color scheme that you've chosen. Now with graphic design, you can do whatever you want, but I always say less is more. The more simple the logo, the better. When you think about the famous logos out there like Nike or Apple, think about how simple they are. There's not a lot going on because people know exactly what they're getting. Or even if you don't have the means to be able to pay someone to make you a logo, you can totally just do a picture of your face. Especially when your brand is you are a YouTuber or an artist and people know you for your face and what you do, then a profile picture can work better than a graphic design logo. For me, my brand, I have a graphic design logo, but I found that having a picture of my face actually works better. And I even incorporated my color scheme into it so that you can see the color and my face, and it just works better for my brand. So with a logo, you have a few different options, and you can definitely find something that will work for you. So to kind of summarize, a logo can be really simple, whether it's just a picture of your face, initials, or an image that fits with your brand. That's another way to make you stand out. Okay, so what do logos need? They need fonts. So I found that brands typically have about 1 to 3 fonts for their business. You'll usually have a header font, a subheader font, and then a font for the body text. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can just start with one font that you really like, and then go from there. Choose that main font to be the font that your name shows up as, and then maybe try a different one for the subheader. A good way to start on fonts is to go to CANVA. I'll link that in the description below, but they have a really helpful way of showing you how to pair up different style fonts and how they look really good together. But the app is totally free. You can create headers in there, you can create stuff for Twitch, for YouTube, all that good stuff. So I would definitely recommend going there if you need a free tool to help with branding. So there you go. Those are the things that you really need to get started to brand your business, to find a way to really stand out from the crowd. Figure out a logo that will showcase who you are as a creator. Figure out a color scheme that will make you stand out, and find a font that looks good and will easily convey what you're trying to say. And with that, Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm Suave Artist. And just a quick reminder, I paint on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I love to hang out with people and talk and hear about their day, so come hang out with me. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what are the companies that you think have the best branding. I'd really be curious to hear. And before you go, don't forget to check out my most recent video about my essential watercolor starter pack so that you can start painting at any moment in life. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!